Hey everybody, this is Dane just to show you this Oceanside. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,160 square feet home. I'll give you more details in the description here, and I'm going to do a walkthrough video. But if you're thinking about moving to Oklahoma, relocating, we got people moving from Texas, California, Virginia, New York, Canada, Mexico. We got people moving from all over to Oklahoma. So if you're thinking about making the move to Oklahoma, this is a great home. You can text me at 918-812-3263. We'll have more information in the description. Check out the video. If you're thinking about making the move to Oklahoma, text me at 918-812-3263. Get you more details on this home.